What do you want now? What's up? Why always following me? Come on, baby. Don't be like that. Just get out of my house. Okay. If I tell you get out? Come on, man. I just want to hang out. I don't care. Just leave, please. Okay. Finally, I could eat now.